Top 5 vision damaging habits to avoid for better eyesight. Hi everyone, I'm Sviatoslav and today I'm here to uncover the common habits that might be quietly reducing your eyesight. Learn to recognize and respond to the initial indicators of eye fatigue, preventing myopia and maintaining the health of your visual system. Low vision habits are widespread and can gradually lead to visual deterioration. Let's dive into the 5 harmful habits that lower eyesight and discover ways to counteract them. The silent threat of ignored eye strain. The problem: daily eye strain is a silent enemy. Many of us push through the discomfort, not realizing that ignoring the early signs of fatigue can lead to eye muscle spasm and ultimately myopia, nearsightedness, which is like a put lock on your eye muscles with spasms and losing distance vision, eye focusing function. The solution: you need to feel your eyes and body's signals. At the first hint of eye fatigue, take a break. Allowing your eyes to rest can prevent long-term damage and keep your vision sharp. Second, excessive screen time. Screen time or screen trap. Hours spent staring at the screens can strain your eyes, leading to digital eye strain, characterized by dryness, irritation, and difficulty eye focusing. Did you notice after long screen time, you're looking far and everything is blurry? Eyes cannot switch focus because eye muscle exhausted to squeeze the eyeball, making look instead of a ball like an egg, to look at a close distance. To combat the damaging effects of excessive screen time, it's crucial to implement mindful habits that protect your eyes. Aim to reduce the duration spent in front of the digital devices by taking regular breaks. Regular screen breaks help relieve eye strain and support healthy eye function. Furthermore, consider designating screen-free times during your day, especially before bedtime, to minimize artificial light exposure, which can disrupt your deep sleep. Adjusting screen brightness to match your environment. A crucial technique is to ensure your workspace is ergonomically set up to maintain a proper distance from your screen. An additional strategy to shield your eyes from the potential harm of prolonged screen time use. Prioritizing these habits not only fosters better eye health but can also enhance your overall well-being in our digitally dominated world. Unlock the secrets to lifelong vision health with Eyesight Academy. Alleviate eye strain and revitalize your vision with holistic eye care practices. Link in the description. 3. Yawning. The natural eye reset you suppressing the problem. Yawning isn't just a sign of tiredness, it's natural reset button for your eyes. Enriching them with oxygen and reducing eye muscle fatigue and tension. However, society norms have taught us to curb this natural reflex, making our eyes suffer a much needed release. The solution: embrace yawning, especially during moments of transition like waking up, during screen times, or preparing for sleep. This simple act can rejuvenate your entire visual system and even lead to instant improvements in vision clarity. Fourth, restful sleep. Sleep for restorative vision, overcoming tensed sleep patterns. The problem: the state in which we fall asleep can significantly impact our rest quality. Falling asleep with anxious thoughts or eye tension sets the stage for a night of restlessness, affecting our eyesight over time. The solution: incorporate relaxation techniques into your nightly routine. Listening to meditation or practicing facial muscle relaxation can help for deeper, more rejuvenating sleep, contributing to better eye health. Fifth, breaking the habit of squinting, a path to relaxed vision. The problem of squinting might seem like a temporary fix for unclear vision, but it's a trap. This habit puts extra strain on our eyes and can lead to a vicious cycle of worsening vision and increased dependency on specs or corrective lenses. The solution: adapt a relaxed gaze. Regularly practice looking at object without squinting, regardless of clarity. Exercises that involve tracing text on a page or with your eyes can train your brain to process visual more efficiently, reducing the need to squint. Wrapping up, overstraining and suppressing natural reflexes like yawning, sleeping with tension, and squinting are habits that over time can significantly impair our vision. By addressing these habits head-on with simple, conscious changes, we can protect and even improve our eyesight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or additional tips. Let's keep the conversation going and help more people see the world more clearly. See you in the next video.